Hello YouTubers, you are watching Just Do It Yourself channel, and today I want to show you 2013 Chevy 3500 HD bumper removal. There are a few things that you need to know. First, you don't need to take the spare tire off. Second thing, in order to remove the trailer socket, you can spin it out of the bumper, pull it out, and then disconnect the plug from the back, so you don't need to work under the vehicle. To disconnect the plug, you push back this white clip, then press and pull. You just need to wash this really well, because if there is tons of mud, it won't let you to push that far enough so you can unplug. And there will be another brown plug attached to the bumper that you need to disconnect from that control module. But that's pretty much it in terms of wiring. In terms of the bolts, so you will have one bolt here, actually just over there, then two big bolts, 21mm head on one side and 15mm over there on top, and then there will be two bolts over here, also 21mm. So same on the other side, you have one just over there, three on the side. When we look at the bumper, so same as I mentioned before, one from the bottom, 21mm, two from the side, 15mm from the side. Then you would have two attached to the hitch. Same thing on here, one on the bottom, three on the side. This is the brown plug that you need to disconnect, and then entire harness stays. These tubes go to your spare tire, and in terms of the bolts, so you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 21mm, two 15mm, and then your bumper slides out. It was a little bit confusing for myself to figure out which bolts to remove. Thanks for watching, hope this helps. Please like and subscribe, and as always, just do it yourself.